we urge to the government to facilitate all those volunteers, all those organizers, all those leaders who have fought and struggled bravely for the attainment of Meghalaya state. Today, we have submitted this, representation along with all names of those organizers and volunteers of the party. And I am happy to inform you that the Honorable Chief Minister has welcomed the movement of the application, the memorandum, the proposal of the party. So hopefully that within this year-long celebration of the 50-year statehood of Meghalaya, the Honorable Chief Minister has accepted our demand that we need to facilitate that. We need to respect those statehood fighters. So this is the the matter that we have discussed with the Honorable Chief Minister.